Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So now, as can you see, just by press and hold the power button, I can activate only the power off menu. And now we'll change this feature. So go into the settings, scroll down to the additional settings and tap here to the gesture shortcuts. Now just click to launch Google Assistant, and here click to this switcher. And now just by press and hold the power button for half of a second, we'll activate the Google Assistant. So as can you see, we just successfully linked the Google Assistant to power key button. And just to turn on this option, you should click here once again on the switcher to turn it off. And now, as can you see, again we activated the power off menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.